Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be doing a box opening and a little review on this Dewalt Spotlight. It's called Tripod Light. It's just the tripod, doesn't come with any batteries, so make sure you have batteries. The reason I use Dewalt is because everything I own is Dewalt power tool wise. I don't want to have a bunch of different types of batteries. So anyways, let's get this thing open. Let's see what it looks like out of the box. And then we'll check out how bright it is. Now I'm in my shop right now, and the shop is there's no lights on right now. This side, the door is open. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of electrical in here, and I'm probably going to be doing it at night after work. So I'm going to need a light source out here. I mean, I could always run an extension cord from the house, but other than not. Also, I got a commercial property I'm working on that has no power, and right now the only light source is the open door and a window. So I'm going to use this a lot. Okay, you got the instructions, some filler cardboard, and an actual unit. Okay, I mean this is it. There's no tools to put it together or anything like that. It doesn't need anything. I'm gonna try to mess with it before I actually read the instructions, just to see if I can figure it out on my own. So I press this button, and the tripod comes out. Looks like it locks in like so. So there's your power button, there's your locks. This probably pulls up right here. There's got two little handles here. So after you unlock it, you can do that. We're just about 7 foot at about 90 inches. So it swivels around, looks like about 180 degrees. Yeah, 180 degrees around, and then about 180 as well on the other axis. Okay. Well, let's put a battery in here and let's see how bright she is. We'll keep it down low for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap a battery in here. It's on. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the doors. We'll see if this is bright enough for what we need it for. Well, it provides some light facing straight up, which is, it's pretty usable. It's not the brightest in here. Let's see if we go higher, if it'll get brighter. It does get a little bit brighter throughout the room. But it's still pretty dim in here. Now let's try the spotlight function. We'll put it in the corner of the room, and we'll angle it towards the room. Okay, there you can see the room got much brighter. Now, again, this is not like it's not like daylight, but it's pretty good for definitely working in dark conditions. It does have a dim function. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now. So when there's no light to when there's full light. And then you press the power button again, it dims it down again, and then I think it goes off. So you got three functions. Bright, not as bright, and least bright. And then off, of course. That's bright. Facing it. When you're facing it, it's pretty bright, but overall, it's not the brightest it could be. It could be much brighter. Let me drop it down a little bit and see if it gets brighter towards the ground. Yeah, it's bright. All right, so overall, I think it's pretty good. The bottom is very heavy, so this thing tipping over is probably never going to happen. It takes one DeWalt battery, so I don't know how long it'll last. So maybe I'll do a video on that to see. But right now, it's perfect for what I need it for. Just at night when I'm doing the work with no power. Also, it's handy as a big flashlight if you need to bring it out somewhere, like out in the field, or out in the pasture, or something along those lines. And yeah, I like it. I think it was about $200. It's kind of pricey for a flashlight, but it takes DeWalt batteries, and you know, you can have it anywhere you go. It's pretty compact. I like it. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy one, and I'll probably look out for another video. I'll probably do a battery, like how long a battery lasts, like 2 amp versus 4 amp versus 5 amp, and we'll see about that. Okay, so I'm out in my pasture. It's pitch black out here, right? Can't see nothing. Maybe the sky. No moon. No nothing. It's pitch black. Up there's my barn, you can kind of see that. I got lights on up there. Anyways, I'm down here. You can hear some pigs going. I'm gonna turn this light on for the very first time. Let's see how bright it is. Woo! Yeah, it's pretty bright. I'm about 20 feet away. So there's my pigs. They're a lot bigger than they look on camera. Alright, so let's, I have a handheld too. It's a DeWalt, just like a standard, like, you know, regular one. So let's turn this off. Let's turn this on. Shine it. Same spot. Alright, got it set it up right here. I'm going to turn this off and we'll see the difference, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So it's much different, right? See the difference? Regular flashlight, handheld, to this tripod spotlight. Huge difference, right? Can't see anything over here. No, I can. Freaking my pigs out too, probably. But so yeah, I mean, I'd say this thing's pretty good, especially at night if you're going to try doing some night work. Alright, so one more thing I like about this is it's pretty cool. You can use it as a flashlight, giant flashlight. You just, you know, walk around. It's got a handle, got a second handle here. So, you know, it could be a flashlight machine gun, right? Or my favorite, it could be a flashlight bazooka, right? You get it? Fits pretty well. Pretty comfortable too.